Hey, Leo Dreger here. I want to show you a really cool utility. In some cases, you have encrypted files, which you'll find, and you just want to learn some basic information about them and about the encryption process of these encrypted files. So I happen to have a folder here called Leo, but I'm actually logged in as an administrator in Leo, and I am the owner. But I want to point that out because that has nothing to do with this lab and where I run this tool. I happen to have a tool, a command line utility that I copied just to the folder I'm working in called Efsinfo, okay? And the location in which this is being run is 100% arbitrary. I can run this from anywhere that I copied this utility to. Just want to point that out. So it just happens to be easier to run it from the directory because it tells you the current directory that it actually is encrypted, and then the users who can decrypt this based off of Windows encrypting file system is the actual owner at this computer. If you're using a naming convention in your computers, therefore you can track who logged onto those computers and correlate key information based on trying to track down the original owners of the encrypted files. That's what you would be doing when you would be using this tool to try to correlate large bodies of information. Hope you enjoyed. Well, actually, you know what? There's way more. Let's do this. Let's go look at the help file, okay? Displays information about encrypted files. Not only does it tell you what it does, but it displays the user information. You can do a -R recovered agent. All right, so let's just have some fun with this. Efsinfo/R. Spell it correctly. Efsinfo-R. In this case, no recovery agent found. So this one did not find a recovery agent for the directory that I'm working in. Let's do -C. Okay, encrypted information, users who can decrypt this particular agent and the certificate thumbprint number. So that's going to be real helpful because that's going to match exactly to the certificate of the user. So it's those exact numbers that correlate in your forensic evidence that proves custody here. All right. The password.pxf file, that's encrypted, users who can decrypt it, and the certificate thumbprint right here. Okay, so everything. Then you can do a -I. Okay, same thing here, so no help. Then there's K, keys and algorithm information. Okay, let's see what that tells us. Okay, in this case, the files were actually encrypted with AES 256-bit encryption. Okay, for both of the pieces. Let's go back up. Y, your current EFN certificate thumbnail. So if I just want the thumbnail on itself, Y, here it is. Whoop, digital thumbnail. Okay. The S, perform a specific operation on the directories in the given directory and all of the subdirectories. Okay, so that means kind of like a recursive option. We're not going to do that because there is no subfolders. -T touches all the EF files in the given directory and all the subdirectories used to update the EFS key information on the encrypted file system. Okay, well, you could do that, but it's going to effectively be the same as before. Oh, and then, of course, the directory is the proper format. So C:\Leo. All right. None in this case, which is why I didn't do it in the previous one. But you can prove nothing. All right. And then, of course, the last little bit of the help file. So that's it. Completely. How is it encrypted? Who encrypted it? Where do I go match that information? All in one little utility. Don't forget to like and share on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter.